To solve this latter problem then, we need to figure out a relationship between the x, the height, and the 10-foot ladder. And similar to that, one of the problems that we did before, there is a Pythagorean relationship between those three quantities. So I can say that h squared plus x squared is equal to in this case it's not a variable, it's just that ladder doesn't change length. It's 10 squared. So there's my relationship. Okay, I know the x position is 6, I know the y position is 8, and I know that, what do I have here? I have it sliding away from the wall at 3 meters per second. Okay, so that represents dx by dt. Okay, I want to know the change in, or dh by dt, the change in height over the change in time. So to do that, I'm going to differentiate this with respect to time. So I'm going to first of all differentiate the h squared to 2h, and then I'm going to apply the chain rule because the height is a function of time. So I'm going to multiply that by dh by dt. I'm applying the chain rule here. Plus, differentiate x squared becomes 2x, and then I'm going to apply the chain rule. I need to multiply or differentiate tx with respect to time. Okay, this is what I mean by differentiating with respect to time. We have to go to the other side. Now be careful here because 10 squared, 10 is a constant. There's no change there. Derivatives are about change. If this length is 10, it stays 10. So the derivative of a constant is 0. Okay, so what do I have here? Well, I have the height. Okay, the height was given to me, the y position. The height I know. dh by dt I'm trying to figure out. The x position was 6 meters. So I have x. dx by dt is given to me. So I have everything I need to solve for dh by dt. So I'm just going to substitute in. So 2 times, that's going to be 8 meters. And dh by dt is what I'm solving for. Plus 2 times x. Well, I know that x is 6 meters. I'm going to put 6 into that. And dx by dt, I've been told, was 3 meters per second. So the only thing left in this expression to solve for is my dh by dt. So I get 16 times dh by dt plus 2 times 6 times 3 is 36, and that's equal to 0. Solving this equation, I'm going to end up with 16 times dh by dt is equal to negative 36. Okay, and then solving for dh by dt, that works out to be negative 36 over 16. That's going to simplify to, that's got a common factor of, it looks like 4, so negative 9 over 4. Okay, so that works out to be negative 2.25. And that's going to be meters per second. So it's falling at a rate of negative 2.25 meters per second. And that's pretty close to the value that we saw on the animation as well.